Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Well, Zoom is not super expensive anymore, but on the other hand, the growth rates are way down for the next year and for the coming 2 years. AMBA looks good technically. Good earnings, good guidance. Semiconductor sector, one of the strongest sectors. What are the cryptos doing? Bitcoin, okay. Okay. AMC had a pump PR. I'm not gonna touch AMC today. It's day one. Now that it's gone sideways for 2 days. I'm gonna wait for day two. This thing looks amazing on a daily, weekly. Well, not amazing on a daily, but looks amazing on a weekly. This thing has just been building higher lows for a long time now, getting tighter on the weekly. Once it starts going, could very easily go to 450, 500. VTNR, damn it, I was hoping for a gap up in this thing. But on the other hand, it is backside. Maybe I'll short it. Is it easy to borrow or is it hard to borrow? It's probably hard to borrow. Yeah, General Motors and GME. All right, let's see, what do we have here? OEG gapping down a little bit. Man, that candle, that 22% direction candle into the close. Oh man, so beautiful. Just look at it in intraday. Just look at this. Just look at this. If this isn't perfect, I don't know what is. Unfortunately, like, I would have preferred a gap up to 10, but yeah, like, you know, and look at the volume. Look at the volume, over 200 million. This thing traded more shares yesterday than it did in the previous 6 months, previous year. Insane. What are my ETFs doing? They're kinda not doing much. Kind of opening up break even, all right. BNTX still holding, still building higher lows. I mean, it's kind of needs to go soon, man. Look at this. Just draw a straight line. This one is opening break even. Beely, okay, LB, AGQ. I sized down on AGQ yesterday. I didn't like the close. Instead, I went heavily on, well, not heavily, but I did, you know, decent position in NRQ. Let's see. Zoom EP. I think you need to follow the instructions on the screen. You know, anyone who hasn't done it, anyone who hasn't spent at least 10 hours on my blog, you know, don't post. Just don't. We're running a tight ship here. Everyone needs to be on the same page. Holy shit, what's going on here? BCTX. What phase is BCTX? Is it phase 1? I can't figure it out. What stage is BCTX? Is it phase 1? Preclinical? No, it says clinical stage. BCTX buyout? Okay, no one has checked the news on BCTX. Am I the only one trying to figure it out? Am I the only one looking at it? Yeah, I know the PR. I've read the PR. I'm trying to figure out what phase is it phase 1, phase 2? Yeah, it's bullshit. It's probably bullshit. Can't figure out. It said clinical stage, so it's not preclinical, I guess. All right, guys, good luck. Oh, it's an update. Well, okay. Let's see what we get today. Amba can't get above the 100th day. That's not great. Looks like a lot of things are fading today. Well, BNTX has looked great on the hourly for the past 4 days. Nothing has changed, it just needs to break out and actually go. I'm trying my hand on this meme stock thingy on the long side. It's BB. I saw some data. BB has at almost as much shatter as AMC, but it hasn't even made it close to as big of a move. Well, OEG was a disappointment. I thought it was gonna go to $10. Tesla looks like it's starting to roll over a bit here. Thanks for the compliment, but your logic is kind of stupid. Your logic makes no sense at all. It's like yeah, I know Russell is weak. We'll see how these things handle the weakness. That's the most important thing. I'm so disappointed in OEG. Such a disappointment. You know what, AMC, I'm thinking about going long this thing later if it flags intraday. I'm open to it. So AMC is holding up better than BB. At the open, BB showed more strength. So that's why I went long that one also. Now it's lagging. Okay. Yeah, I'm actively looking to add to Soxel. Maybe in a few days, when the 10-day has caught up a little bit. I would love to double my position in Soxel. This SMH is just so strong. Nvidia and Roblox, what a bunch of beasts. AMC, sure, so strong. I think AMC could do something incredible. Go to like 100 or something. Maybe the Uber drivers are right. The TikTok analysts say it's gonna go to 100,000. You mean it's gonna be worth more than the FANG stocks put together? Yeah, sounds reasonable. Sure. $500K? You mean it's gonna be worth like half the half the US stock market? Okay, why not? Well, we've seen crazier things happen, right? And this is why shorting is such a dangerous game, because people don't believe things can happen, and then they happen, and then, you know, they blow up. You gotta be super flexible in your thinking. Well, I don't think AMC gonna be the next gold. But I think they could definitely use the cinemas to store gold. Absolutely. Now that almost every worthwhile movie is going direct to streaming, you know, they should diversify into, you know, being a warehouse. Look, at this point, I don't even care what the thesis is. If the TikTokers say it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, because that's where the market stage we are in. Too bad BB stopped me out. It was stronger early on than AMC, so I thought that was gonna outperform, but nope. You gotta stay with the leader, not with a laggard. CCIV, I don't see anything here. He had a range breakout yesterday, but these type of bottom ones are not really my specialty. My specialty is buying stocks up 300% in the past few weeks. Taking out highs of the day, that's my specialty. Leather Kenny? I don't know what Leather Kenny is. I have to Google it. The fuck is that? Leather Kenny? Sitcom? Got good IMDb ratings. You know what? Maybe I'll watch it. Oh shit, my cat just... Shut the fuck up, cat. Shut up. I'm streaming. Shut up. Shh. Sorry, I have to mute the mic. He doesn't like me being long AMC. Roaring kitty. Yeah. Roaring kitty was GME though. AMC needs its own mascot. Well, except for AMC, there's not much for me to do here. So OEG pulled back the rising 10 EMA. Too bad it couldn't gap. Instead of gapping down $1.50, or sorry, 50 cents, would have been nice if it gapped up instead. Oh well. AMC movement. You mean the cult of morons pumping it? Like anyone who's, you know, putting the crazy price targets on it and not admitting it, they're just pumping it. I mean, like, it's nothing cutting edge here we're talking about. It's a cinema chain. They were about to go bankrupt a year ago. Yeah, it's a career path. People just want to be part of a movement. I mean, people are just, I don't know, bored. They just want to be part of something big. That's how we get, you know, any type of movement. A lot of people get stuck into these fanatical stock cults. It's a new stock all the time. And they go so fanatical, they just cannot see. Like, they can't even put out the bull thesis on the table other than, oh, it's gonna go higher. That's literally their thesis. Yeah, there's like probably a few hundred hedge funds holding AMC. Exactly, they sold the same day. Just a self-reinforcing mechanism. I hope it does something like GME. It kind of reminds me a little bit about GME here. Stupid TC2000. I hate this candle thing. Oh, for fuck's sake. Wait, what's the button you can use? Guys, what's the button? Is it Control? No. Shift? Oh, it's Shift. Wait. Is it Shift? You can scroll one day at a time? No. Stupid, man. Like, TC2000 is so pathetic. They should learn from TradingView. That's what happens when you have a bunch of 50 sitting in office. You get boomer software. Yeah, but I don't have that button. European keyboards don't have that button. Let's see here. But anyways, it's like this day on GME. Oh yeah, that's the key. Yeah, that was it. Yes. Left click spacebar. Wait. Yeah, yes, thanks. Yeah. This is the day on... Now obviously AMC is a miniature variant of this. But yeah, this is what the AMC looks like right now. It had a leg up, went sideways a bit, had another leg up, went sideways for 2 days, and then it gapped up, had another update. This is exactly what AMC looks like, but in a smaller format. Had a leg higher, went sideways for a week or two, had another leg higher, went sideways for 2 days, and now it's on this day 1. And pro tip, guys, never short on day 1. How can you back... are you trolling, alert follower 1286? Are you trolling? Like, short selling has been best ever over the past year. The moves we get, they're insane. It's like free money. GME was like free money. Laser, free money. CCIV. I don't remember if I shorted it. I didn't. Yeah, but that was... Well, that was a tricky one. Never gave a good entry. If you have to ask, don't do it. Yeah, QS was free money too. I was like half size on it. Long and short. Yeah, BNTX is lagging, unfortunately, but it's still holding up. I still think it's gonna make a big move. I mean, this thing is just... Look at how it's hanging out here at the highs. Building higher lows, getting tighter. BCTX. Oh man, these things are impossible to trade. Halt stocks. BNTX is a piece of garbage. What the fuck does that even mean? It looks great. It's like one of the best long setups out there right now. Like, I mean, guys, don't troll. Like, there's so much trolling going around. Yeah, BNTX is 5-star. Yeah, I don't know, like there's so many weird comments. So many people writing stuff that makes absolutely no sense. Oh, well, I guess, like I've said before, not being a moron is an edge. In Discord too? Yeah, I'm never in the Discord. I'm never there. Core, yeah, someone mentioned it yesterday. Core, no, sorry. I don't know, not my type of setup. Not my type of setup. Maybe it can work. Could work, yeah. Wouldn't it be nice if Elon tweeted about the AMC? Looks like my triple ETFs are doing overall really well, except for TNA, which is ironically my largest position, but that's fine. The other ones are doing really well. eSignal, I don't use eSignal much anymore. eSignal is great if you want to go back a lot and watch intraday charts like 5 minutes, 60 minutes, etc. That's where eSignal is great. And I also kind of have it as a backup, but you know, TradingView works as well for a backup. eBet, eSport, yeah, not really my type of setup. All right. So if we get another week or two of sideways in the major indices, that would be really good. Like, let the moving averages catch up a little bit. Nasdaq, SPYs, Russell, and then launch off of that, get a big move. That would be great. Doge, side, ways action, what? Let's see here. Doge, what's Doge doing? Oh, Doge is up 3 days in a row. Okay, didn't realize it bounced. It's holding up really well. What's Ethereum? No, sorry, ETHUSD doing? Okay, and BTC USD. Okay. If this is a decent more, is this the start, middle, or end? Your question makes no sense. If it's a decent rally, is it a decent rally? In some sectors, yes. Many sectors, no. Nothing compared to last year. Is this a start, middle, or end? Who knows? Only the market gods know if this is a start, middle, or end of a rally. It's not our job to know these things. We don't get paid to know these things ahead of time, because no one knows. Yeah, only the suits know. Yep, only the suits know. The suits are running the market. Well, actually, right now it's the TikTokers and the Uber drivers. U1, yeah, it had a great breakout setup yesterday. Oh man, beautiful. Look at this thing. Had a big previous trend. The stock went up almost 150%, pulled back orderly, pulled back, found support on the 10-day, and then broke out on volume. 5-star. Beautiful. Like this is called the small account edge. There's no things called such as small account challenge. It's called small account edge. There's so many moves like this. And look at this. It's up 33% in one day. ADR is 14%. You don't get moves like this on a low ADR stock. But in the micro and small cap space, you can find these moves like all the time. Beautiful. Why did no one mention it yesterday? Why does it get mentioned today? Yesterday was, where you should have found it. Why a few more days of sideways? It looked 5-star. Look at how orderly, beautiful it looked. What tight. And bounced perfectly off the 10-day. Beautiful. $2.5. What has that anything to do with it? The dollar volume was more than 10 million. That's plenty for those of you with tiny accounts. That's plenty. That's plenty. How come you didn't short OEG? Look, if you follow... If you look, guys, I'm gonna show you a life hack, guys. Do you see my mouse pointer? Do you see the text here? If you follow that link, there's a lot of information about the setups I trade. Okay, my short setups are very specific. Like, this is what we have to deal with. Like, if there was 10 people in here, I wouldn't mind, but we're like, what, 1,500? And after 3 months of being here, some people have still not followed the link. It's amazing. That's why most people fail at trading. This is the reason. Someone mentioned this IHT. That's a beautiful setup. Wow. ISNS is holding up. LEDs is holding up really well. U1. Yeah, anyone who bought the first candle would have gotten stopped out, but it gave you a second entry late in the day. It shook everyone out. Yesterday, if you bought the range break, because it took out the lows of the day, but it gave you a second entry later in the day. It found support, built another higher low in the 60-minute, and then it built higher lows for several hours before it broke out again. Just because a stock stops you out once doesn't mean the setup becomes invalid. I've said that like 50 times. Happens all the time. You get stopped out, and then you re-enter, and then it works. Sometimes you get stopped out 2 times, sometimes 3 times. That's not really a problem. The problem is not that you got stopped out. The problem is you didn't re-enter because the setup was still as good. That's the problem. Yes, Jim Roppel is absolutely right. That's the problem I'm having. That's the exact same problem. Now, I don't care about the market cap itself, because a lot of stocks with low market caps, like look at some BB for example, 5.7 billion market cap. I'm not sure the TC2000 numbers are correct. I'm gonna check MarketSmith. So yeah, 7 billion according to MarketSmith. But look at how liquid it is. It's one of the most liquid stocks in the world right now. Even though it's technically like a mid cap. So I'm not really, I don't care about the market caps as much as the liquidity. Many times small cap stocks and mid cap stocks can trade more volume than the mega cap stocks. Like we're seeing that on AMC right now. It's like a small large cap in market capitalization. And definitely down here, when it broke out of this base, it was like almost a mid cap. It was a mid cap stock, and it was one of the most liquid stocks in the world. So defining your trades by market caps, it just doesn't make sense. You have to follow the liquidity. Well, the setup on Oracle is good, but what's the ADR? Like the setup itself looks almost 5-star. It's pretty much 5-star. But the ADR is really... Oh, AMC. No, sorry, BB. Starting to move. Man, can we get something crazy on these things? Can we get like a double till tomorrow? Whew, that would be something. Gush 4 days ago was a 5-star setup. I was looking at it. I never entered. I was looking at it. Yeah, 5-star. Definitely. Look, when I see when I see like literal morons running the market, that's where the big money is, guys. It's not where the boomers are running the market. It's when Wall Street bets and TikTokers are running the market. That's where, like GME, a quarter of all my lifetime profits came from within 1 month or so on 2 trades on this stock. That's where the big money is, in craziness. That's where the big money is. Like in crazy stuff. GEL? No. No. I see what you're seeing, nice consolidation, but it has no momentum. If anything, this is a laggard stock. Oh man, I'm getting excited. I haven't been this excited since like last week. Can we get some crazy stuff in these things? Like I was, or actually I haven't been this excited since OEG before the close yesterday because I thought this thing was gonna go to $10 today. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. If they say AMC is gonna go to 100, look, it's a self-reinforcing mechanism. It's reflex. What is it called? Reflexivity. Wait. Yeah, reflexivity. Self-reinforcing effect of market sentiment. Fuck, I'm gonna get a TikTok and start pumping AMC. I'm gonna create an account. I'm gonna pump the shit out of this thing. I'm gonna put... Hey guys, what's the highest market cap? Price target you've seen on TikTok? Like 100,000? I already have an account. Wait. Oh, fuck this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a TikTok. I did the TikTok. I need to just share it. So what's the highest price target? Hey,
Oh.
local mall.
Guys, what you're about to witness is the highest price target for AMC so far.
Hey.
Hey, I can post the link here too. I posted it on Twitter. Yeah, I have the highest price target in the world on AMC right now. I'm holding the highest price target. I think I should put turn notifications off on TikTok. My phone is blowing up. I already have like 20 followers.
Can AMC really hit?
What a there's some guy on TikTok has 100,000 share price target on AMC. Fucking bear. I gotta say, it feels great to be part of a movement. Right now, Ken Griffin is pushing the stock lower, but we will prevail in the long run. It's all the power of community and positive energy. And those of you who don't know, I used to be a mall cop. Those of you who don't get the mall cop reference. Look, the Bears, they may have won the 5-minute candle, but we are gonna win the monthly candle. AHT? AHT? What's the question? If I wasn't in it, like how I would play, like short side, long side. Yeah, liquidity trader, dude. Gotta stay positive. Gotta look at what they have versus what they don't have. You can't view my TikTok? Yes, you can. Just follow this link. Just follow the link. Hey guys, am I still the world's highest price target holder in AMC? The video is not available? Why not? Yes, it is.
Hey, your local mall cop here.
You can just Google my, or not Google, TikTok my name, my handle. Look, if anyone raises their price target above mine, I'm just gonna raise my price target. Now, obviously, guys, for those you don't get it, I'm obviously trolling. No, trading is boring most of the time. You gotta make it more fun. Oh, you bought the AMC in full margin? A great move, dude. Together, we're gonna put Ken Griffin in the poorhouse. The suits don't know what's coming for them. Am I getting stopped out of BB again? I just should have stuck to AMC. That's the leader. That's the company with the theaters. Okay, Ken Griffin may have won the last 5-minute candle again. But they're not gonna win many more 5-minute candles. You'll see. Hey guys, has anyone mentioned where the line is we should be holding? $37.65, that's the line. Okay guys, seatbelts on. It's gonna be a rough ride.
Time to start moving some stops. I haven't moved stops higher in a while. This BNTX, I mean, it's so amazing. Like, look at how tight it's getting. Jesus Christ. Incredible. BRCU. Oh man, I should start selling some BRCU. It's a pretty decent move so far. I'll size down a little bit. Was it difficult to develop patience? Yes. Being a day trader, you know, going to a swing/position trader, it took many years. It took me 5-6 years. Man, I need to pee so hard, but the second I go away, Ken Griffin is gonna downtick us. He's gonna try to shake us out. Why is BBBY outperforming? Come on. They're buying the wrong stock. Amateurs. Oh yeah, guys, we're running Citl algorithm over right now. We're running them over. We just ran them over, and now we're backing up and running them over again. That's what the candle on AMC means. Citadel, yeah. Damn, there's some noise outside. RKT. Looks like shit. How did I find BRCU? Yes, from my ETF scanner. Brazil broke out last week from a flag. Together with emerging markets. And it's part of the emerging markets, obviously, but... I wonder if like people who are not the stream, they're watching my Twitter stream, they you know, people must think I've gone nuts or something. Oh boy. Most usable day trading strategy, mean version short. Like Beyond Meat on Friday, this type of setup. Most profitable day trading setup. But you would know that if you followed the link on the screen. There's a literal link that says the most profitable day trading setup. Well, I gotta be honest with you. If you're surprised by Tesla being down 2.9% on a day, you know, on a stock that has an ADR of 4.3, you know, you gotta probably be surprised a lot in the stock market. I'm just putting it out there. Let's go AMC. It's 2 million per share, obviously, since it's already surpassed 2 million market cap. It hasn't been that low ever. Obviously, I'm talking about price target. Like, do you know, the average TikToker doesn't know what the market cap is? Yeah, paper hands are asked to leave the chat. I'm calling security on you. David. Hey, David! Are you still in here?
Yeah, late day for David. Aren't you supposed to be on vacation or something? Hey David, do you think I'm trolling or do you think I lost it? Good comedy. Oh. IHT, yeah, now it's breaking, yeah. Someone mentioned it to me in the mid sevens, high sevens. And just like on LEDs, it's a very similar setup, right? The buy is when it breaks the range, right? The buy is not here. It's when it broke the range. Like mid-high sevens, that was the entry on this thing. Classic high tide flag. You know, it can't get better than this. Classic. Look at how it's been building higher lows. And then it built this tight range and then broke out of this range. Just like LEDS last week. Super similar. Well, LEDs didn't actually build higher lows in the same way. But it was a tight range. Big momentum stock. And look at IHT now, up 33% on a day. ADR is 43%. It's actually up less than its ADR. Okay, these are the stocks you should focusing on, not some bullshit stock. Like someone mentioned, which one was it? Oracle. ADR 1.6. Look at this thing. It's up 1.5% on a day. How the hell are you gonna build your account trading stocks like this? Yeah, okay, it's a good setup. It's actually a pretty decent setup. But I mean, come on. ADR 1.6. Like, what the fuck? You'll never make any money. David? You have some left of Oracle? Nice. Hey, David, are you up almost 1% on your Oracle now? Oh, you mean you're holding it since the 50s? That's what you mean. Oh, BBBY? There you go. Even... Is BNTX going? There you go. Let's go, BNTX. Yeah, with BNTX you're gonna be up 2%. No, jokes aside, BNTX ADR is almost 7%. That's pretty good. That's very good. Very good for being a large cap. I think it's a large cap. Yeah, it should be. It's up. Yeah, I think it's definitely a large cap. Let's see. Oh my god, it's 50 billion market cap? It's halfway to mega cap. That's way more than I thought. What's the mRNA market cap? 70s. Oh, mRNA is almost mega cap. Holy shit. What a candle. I guess, damn. Never gave a good entry point. Maybe this here? Ah, it's so choppy all around. Oh well. Roblox to 100.
Short the leaguer? Well, if the momentum shifts, it doesn't matter which one you short.
Somewhere between 700 billion and $1,300,000,000,000,000,000.
Yeah, I'm the world record holder, price target analyst, mall cop on TikTok. AMC 500k, what a bunch of losers. They've been bought by Ken Griffin and Citadel. 500k. Damn bears. It's obvious they've been bought by Ken Griffin. David says he's shorting AMC with Ken. Hey David, is it true? Are you shorting AMC with Ken Griffin? In that case, you know, you're gonna get run over. I'm just warning you. As a friend. No? Okay, so it's fake news. Okay. Yes, I am long AMC. I bought it opening range highs. That's true. It reminds me of Chi and me, like I said on this day here. Which means it has at least one more day to run. But the AMC is not even close to as big of a move. and look, it's still, you know, it's hanging out near the highs. You lost money being long AMC yesterday? Oh, okay. Yeah, it was a choppy. It first went down, it went higher, went down a bit more. Yeah, I lost money shorting AMC yesterday. Took out the highs midday and I got stopped out. You ordered an Uber to ask him where the AMC line is? Yeah, the mall I worked at, it had a movie theater. Every respectable mall has a movie theater. I don't like the fact that Beely getting rejected on the 100th day. Look, come on, BNTX. Can we get 220 today? Finally? When I became profitable, I was, I think, 25. That's before I became halfway to boomer. Alright guys, I gotta close the stream. I'm gonna have a conference call with Ken Griffin. Sorry, some guys. Thanks for joining and see you tomorrow.